Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report Chart Appraisals on Tuesday the 5th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Moving on to cable, and we've just had out the UK construction PMI data. Pretty good actually, although construction PMI, or the construction sector, is only about 5% of the UK economy, 5-6%. I mean, it did come in strongly at 57.8, which was above, well above last month at 55.3, and above the expectations as well. So decent rebound there for the construction sector, and cable has been given a slight boost, about 10 pips or so, nothing too significant, but to be honest it doesn't do a great deal to help the situation because cable remains pretty negative across the board on this. You look at the indicators on the momentum, very negative. RSI back towards 30. MACD lines consistently falling away, stochastics negative pretty much across the board. And looking at yesterday's candle as well, about 150 ticks of range, but certainly the initial positivity was sold into, and a negative candle ensued, and we're continuing to the downside today, about 20 ticks off. So selling into strength remains the way to play cable. I spoke yesterday about the resistance band around about 148. Which was that old low, and that pretty much came in, not too far off 48.13. Pretty much came in, and that's where the bears came back in to sell off. It looks like we're going to get a retest of yesterday's low, 46.60, and ultimately ultimately it looks like we're going to get a retest of that key April low, 45.63. So that's where we're going back towards, I believe. Selling into strength remains the way to play cable. Here we go on the hourly chart. We've got, again, market falling over around about the sort of 47.30 area, as I said yesterday. This morning, and then that's underneath the 48 figure level. So 47.30 is a sort of initial resistance area, but certainly 48 figure remains in place as your key area to look out for. So pressure to the downside seems to be in the process. You maybe use this slight little uptick on the construction PMI data as a chance to sell very near-term positions, because it certainly looks like the hourly chart is negatively configured. Look at that MACD, consistently negative over the past sort of week and a half, and rallies are being used as a chance to sell. So anything around about sort of the 50 area on the hourly RSI is sort of being used as that trigger. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.